Alright, so this is my first attempt at a moto vlog. Never tried this before. I tried it, well actually that's not true, I did try it once before. But I didn't have a way to record audio and video at the same time. And now I do. So, thought I would give this a little bit of a go. I'm actually using my cell phone right now to record this, so we'll see how well it turns out. I've got the microphone inside my helmet, so I don't know. Might be alright. We're going to take a trip, if I can handle the cold long enough, we're going to take a trip up to the dam and take a look at the beautiful view of the lake. It's in fall time now. As you can see over there, looks like their lake is already starting to go down. I think they let the water out of it at the beginning of September, and then just gradually goes down until they get to the winter pool. I'm going to get out there and try to fish tomorrow. Maybe I'll take you with me fishing too. See what we can do. Maybe we'll land us a bass. Who knows? This jacket does a pretty good job of cutting the wind. I must admit, I'm impressed with the ability to cut the wind. These little Tao Tao motorcycles, and that's how it's pronounced, Tao Tao, or Tao Tao as the Japanese say it. These little Tao Tao motorcycles, they are pretty nice little bikes, and they're versatile, and but you know, it's kind of hard to find some parts for them because they're built on an expired patent, and you know, you have to find old parts, old Honda parts. Sometimes you can find Chinese places that remanufacture them. But I've been looking for a back tire. Back tire's still in okay shape on this thing, but before long, at least definitely by next spring, I'll need a new back tire. So I've got to get that in the works. Oh man, I love it up here. God bless America. All right, there's the lake. And here's from whence I came. Beautiful. Oh man, it's just breathtaking. It's hard to think of what to say. I think those kids that were doing their photo shoot are gone. They may have taken off. Let's see. Is that them over there? No, that's somebody else. It's so pretty up here. You gotta love and appreciate the beauty of a place like this. If you don't, then good Lord, God help you. Picnicking. Look at those beautiful cars. The view just doesn't get much better than this, folks. As far as Northeast Tennessee is concerned, it's hard to find much better beauty than this. I mean, you can look in different places and find some equal beauty, but gosh, I just don't know if it gets prettier than a high top mountain view that just lets you be able to see for so far. Here's the water turbine, one of the old original water turbines that they used when this place was built. Man, that thing's cool. Just look down there at the river. You can see for so far. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. What a place to live, folks. I'm blessed. I'm blessed. All right. And back down we go. You know, it was cold when I first got on it, but I'm starting to get used to it. I run a little hot anyway, folks. It doesn't bother me. I think I'm going to be all right today for a little ride. And I'm hoping the video quality on this is much better than, you know, my usual videos, because I'm using a 4K video, so I mean, it ought to be very clear. If you like Moto vlog videos, if you're enjoying this, and if it's something that you'd like to see more of, different places like that I can go, let me know. And if you know some that are close to me that I can go check out, I would love to go see that stuff. Somebody else got their bike out today. Ow! Shit, that was a pine cone. Damn, that hurt. I got hit by a falling pine cone. Golly, that thing had some velocity on it. Well, I guess that'll be in the video.